Hi beauties, it's our first day of worm week. So I've got these little worms here. These were purchased at the 99-cent store, but they have some at the Dollar Tree. I think the Dollar Tree ones are colored. These are black, and I really liked that they were black. So let's go ahead and get started and see what we use these worms for today. All right, our first worm DIY. We're going to use these plastic napkin rings. These are silver. All of this can be found at the Dollar Tree. They can also be found at 99-cent store. But I got some acrylic paint, just a little foam brush, a little palette. And I used this acrylic paint. You guys know I love Arteza, but I wanted to use everything that you could get at the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to show you one. We can make 6 of them, depending on how many party guests you're going to be having. So let's go ahead and get these little guys out of here. I'm only cutting the bag a little bit because we're going to be using them more and more. Oh, look at these, are creepy. These are gross. Ooh, look at this one, has a tail sticking up. I like that. All right, so what we're going to do, let's put a little bit of acrylic paint here. Just a little bit. And then I've got my hot glue gun going on over here. We're literally going to take these, put a little bit of hot glue. This is going to be one of the easiest DIYs. I'm going to put a little thin strip there. Alright, we're going to take that hot glue, put that right on here, and then while it is still nice and hot, you're going to take your worm, or snake if you will, and push it right down in there, and then you want to hold it. Just hold it there. Be careful not to burn yourself. And you're just going to hold it there until it dries. Okay, once it is all dried up, we're now going to take this little guy here and put some acrylic paint on there. Just a little bit. And just rub some acrylic. But we're not gonna make it completely black. We're just gonna give it kind of, see the difference there? I don't know if you can see. You can still see the silver through there, but not entirely. So we're just gonna give it a spooky feeling all the way around. And just go right up to that little worm or snake. And just all the way around. You can see it there. How it's not real 100% black, unless that's how you like it, and then go for it. But it kind of looks like it's a little bit hammered. Very, very Halloween. So, I know, it's still summer, still a little early to be starting with your Halloween, but you gotta start early. You gotta get your stuff done. I just got invited to a Halloween party the other day. Already getting the invitations, so if you're getting invitations out, you should be working on your any of your DIYs that you have for the holiday as well. Thanksgiving, you guys, that's going to come way too quick. I mean, holy smokes, we are just, as far as I'm concerned, we just got done with New Year's 2019. So, alright. Is that spooky and grody and gory? I'm not a Halloween person, but eee. So, You could do the inside if you like. It's going to be covered by a napkin or whatever you're going to put in there. So, alrighty, that's it for our first little guy. I'll try and get a better picture for you. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, I'm going to be using these worms in other DIYs. So make sure you subscribe. Have a wonderful day. I'll talk with you later. Bye.